Yo, what's up, traders? I hope you're all doing good. Today, I want to talk to you about a trade that I took yesterday, which was like really nice. It's basically the same thing I've been trading for like 2+ years. It's just AOI trading. I know on my channel we've doing different sort of strategies at the moment, but this is the strategy I've always sort of used. It's my comfort zone. It's the one that got me sort of funded the last 2 years, and so I always fall back and do some trades like this on the side, if that makes sense. So I really want to show you how you sort of identify these trades. It's a big one. I want to keep it simple, short and sweet. And there's like a little plot twist in the end. Not a good one. But yeah, if you like this sort of content, leaving a like, subscribe, and comments very much appreciated. And yeah, join the Discord. So it's on NZD USD. Basically, it's an AOI trade, so area of interest. It's my bread and butter, basically. So on the 4 hour, we've identified an area where price reacts off very strong. Whenever it's above, it tends to go up. Whenever it's sort of under, it tends to go down. You can also use a line chart so you can see it like pretty good as well. Here it had a wick, but you don't see it on line chart. But here, good response, good response. It was under, rejected. It was above, went up. So for me, I noticed that it went under it. It broke it basically. And on the 1 hour, if you zoom in, you basically, yeah, you can really identify it being under it like pretty firmly. So I expected a retest and then it to go down. Yeah, by the way, I use this sort of tool to draw it up the rectangle and just try and practice with it a little bit. Just mark up the strong area where it bounces off, where it has like a strong reaction from it. Try to, yeah, narrow it down, not make it too big. You can use mine for as an example, for instance, and set the USD this area. So yeah, it was under expected like a bounce of it. So I entered quite early when it reached the area. I'm never like I don't really wait for confirmation often because I prefer to have like a nice little risk to reward ratio. And but yeah, you could have also entered on the retest. So as you can see, it's like it bounced off the area, did another retest, and it fell off really fast. It was for a 7.6 was my TP, but it could have even went for like I could have taken 13.3 R. Um, but yeah, there's a little sad plot twist regarding this trade. I just shared it in my Discord. Basically, these are the results of the trade, and as you can see, it counts as a loss. If you look at the stop loss hit, right? It's 321, yeah, and my stop loss was at 250. So let's remember that stop loss was at 250, got stopped out at 321. So my stop loss was at 250. So that was here where I drew up the stop loss. And as you can see, price never reached it. I got stopped out at 8. It's like it shows here 7, I think, but 7, yeah, but it's 8 on this graph. So I got stopped out here, like right at the start of the big candle, but not for my stop loss. No, my stop loss was like this. So as you can see, price not even remotely close to it. I got stopped out at all the way over here. I got stopped out here while price was all the way down here. So yeah, there was of course a big news event, but I didn't figure like this would happen, to be honest, like spread wise. Like this is insane. 13 pips spread. Like it was literally 13 pips above my like above the price and 8 pips or 7 pips above my stop loss. So yeah, instead of like I checked and I was like, oh damn, I got nice, I won, like it would have passed me the account easily. And then instead of, seeing a nice little win on my screen, no, I actually got confronted with a loss. Um, yeah, it kind of sucks. As you can see here, it literally stopped me out literally on the dot. So it was literally when the news got released, on the dot, I got stopped out. Um, so there must have been like a huge volume and spread spike. That's why I really don't like news. And yeah, with the prop firm I'm trading, I really like Equity Edge, but they do have a firm rule for the yeah, for the news. So yeah, basically the account is blown. It sucks, but yeah, it happens. But this trade is very yeah, very nice. Here I'm actually now in AUD USD. I just shared this in my group as well. It's up now more. Um, and yeah, this is pretty similar. It works on the lower time frame as well. I noticed this little area, right? You can tell whenever price above, it tends to react, goes up. So then the first time it actually looked like it was going to break, I entered because the risk reward ratio makes sense to me. And we're running at 3.7x now, and I'll pass the account in one trade. Um, yeah, with a few more pips actually. It's going pretty well. 6 more pips, and we've passed an account on one trade. So as you can see, it works sort of on every time frame, every pair. AOIs just work. It just tends like it's just areas where price reacts off strongly. So whenever it's above, you look for buys. Whenever it's under, you look for shorts. And yeah, with little confirmation or with little hints of it actually, going down or up, it sort of helps. And yeah, I also check like the higher time frame a little bit if it makes sense. But yeah, for me, they're very easy to trade, nice risk reward ratios, simple stop loss placements. Yeah, so what's not to love there? I really like it. So yeah, if you like this sort of content, if this was informative, if this was good for you, yeah, letting me know is very much appreciated. And yeah, feel free to join the Discord and yeah, say hello. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye.